Okay, today is Monday. Hello, good morning. Today is Monday, 28 September 2020. Topic Robin Hood. Performance identified, vocabulary, and read pages 16 and 17. Pedagogical Word Unit number 19. Today I give you the vocabulary and you need to read along and understand the story. Les voy a mostrar el vocabulario de las páginas 16 y 17 y además les adjunto el audio para que ustedes mismos puedan entender el cuento. Ok, start. His butcher. Okay, is the person who sells meat. This is meat. Butcher. Market. This is market. The cart. Allí dice market with a cart full of meat. Ok, que la carretilla está llena de carne. 10 gold coins. Yes, continue. Apron. This is apron. Hat. Feast. Un banquete, feast. Salesman. Ok, otros vendedores. Salesman. How much? Es cuando preguntas cuánto cuesta. How much? Sheriff. Okay, he's the sheriff. El alguacil. And now, please, you need to look that and read. Yes, ahí pues subrayé, underline the words. You need to understand. Tienen que parar el video y escuchar al abrir una ventana alterna con el audio y escucharlo y tratar de entenderlo. I give you the vocabulary. Stop the video here in this moment, for example. And continue with the other part. And this is the other. Oh, sorry. I need more. Wait for me one more. Okay. Okay, this is the activity for today. Bye. See you.